Oh, it's going to be a good one.
Hey, Rick and SO 922. They're going fishing today. First, they're going here to get breakfast of champions. All right.
I like
where we are catching handfuls fast.
Yeah, we'll try that. We'll do the trout. That'll be fine.
Tell you what, that weather is not wanting to leave us alone. Hey, off, yeah. What is that? Yeah, a lot of people realize that water's a dangerous place if you're scared of it. One little mishap, you go in the water, if you panic, you drown. Unscrew that pump. I ain't sure. I pulled that hole off on that teeth.
nibble. No, they do it. They won't get them. No, they don't.
If you let off the gas, you just take and drop out, and this gas, you run into them. So you can't never quit.
That's probably about right.
Get him off, you need to get him. The other one's how you're holding your mouth.
So, I'm gonna sweep, Peggy.
He has to clean them. While calling out trace spots, and he's still catching the.
You caught me, Greg.
Go across each other now.
Well, he was on the other side, and I threw that.
Typically, all the grouper boats. Smell like fire. Better.
Okay.
And let it sit and wait on the bite. And chase this line. And also chase right here at the bottom.
Shark.
Watch YouTube videos and they want to just rib back on the rod. This flew open, it flew out, flew off the boat. Got it back. I hit a humdinger. We did catch it. Boy, he goes on loose. I can get him out easy if you want to.